Welcome to the Big Challenge. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to organize the contest at your school in France, Germany, or Italy. If you are not located in one of these countries, please ensure you are watching the appropriate version of this tutorial. Please check the tutorial description for the correct link. The contest is conducted in two formats: the online version, where students participate on a computer or tablet, and the classic version, which uses printed questionnaires and answer sheets. Both formats are available in your country. If you haven't registered for the contest yet, please watch our Registering Students for the Contest tutorial first. It will guide you through the steps to complete your registration before continuing with this setup. To get started, log into your teacher account and click on the Contest tab, which will take you to your contest dashboard. On the left-hand panel, select the Organization link. Here, you will find the different contest formats, along with the number of students registered for each format. Next, choose either the classic format or the online format. This will lead you to the Overview section, where you'll get a summary of your contest setup. It includes details such as the number of students per level, your Big Challenge code, the contest URL for the online format, and several useful links, including past papers, checklists, and the official schedule. You can also download the contest audio files using the link available in this section. The following tab is the checklist. From here, you have the option to download or print the checklist. This document outlines all the tasks you need to complete before the contest, such as preparing the devices. After that, navigate to the Participating Classes tab. In this section, you can enter the names of the classes that will be participating in the online contest. This allows students to select their class when logging in to take the online version and lets you view detailed results and statistics by class. If you have already created classes, you can simply choose it by clicking on Add Participating Class. Alternatively, you can create a new class in this section as well. Adding participating classes is entirely optional. Please note that the Participating Classes and Contest Material tabs are available exclusively in the online format and are not accessible when using the classic format. In the Contest Material tab, you'll find the contest audios organized by level. You can download them directly from this section to help you prepare for or administer the contest. Lastly, the Shipments section includes a tracking link to monitor the delivery of your materials, which consists of the printed contest materials for the classic format and any prizes sent to your school. To track your shipment, simply click on the tracking link provided in this section, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you'll have everything you need to successfully run the Big Challenge at your school. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching!